guys, welcome to Goldbug Slots. We're here at Ellis Island. We're playing the Ultimate Fire Link Explosion with the monkeys that throw down the fireballs. We put 300 in. We're going to play 1 cent denom, $6 a spin, see if we can't trigger the monkeys. Oh, needed one more. Got to have 4 fireballs or 3 chests to get bonuses. This game is very volatile. Sometimes you can get it, sometimes you can't. That was a nice line hit, 24 bucks. Come on, monkeys, help me out. Give me 2 more fireballs. Three chests. I'll take 3 chests. Come on, fireballs. Oh. Now you throw the fireballs. I need 2 more. Come on. Come on, fireballs. Chests. I know you got it in you. You can do it. Oh, I'd really like to get 3 chests. Oh, 1 more fireball. 1 more fireball. Oh, dang it. Please like, share, and subscribe to Goldbug Slots. I'm trying to get to that magical number of 1,000 so I can go live. Put a thumbs up and a comment there. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you to all my subscribers that I do have. Make my channel possible. I can't do it without you. Let's throw $100. Come on, give me a bonus. Bonus, bonus, bonus. Oh, $48 fireball. Look at that. Come on, chests. 3 chests. 4 fireballs. Oh, come on. You can do it. Where's my fireballs? Where's my chest? Where's my line hits? Come on. 2 more fireballs. Come on. Oh. A little bit of a line hit. $2. Not doing very good here. Oh, there we go. There we go. Sun cross. 1440. Keeps us going. Got the jacks. Got the little claw. Come on, fireballs. Where are you at? Oh, need 3 chests. Come on, fireballs. I know you got it in you. Oh. Killing these balls. 1360. Need fireballs. Fireballs. Come on, monkeys. 2 more. 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 Come on. Fireballs. Chests. There's a little bit of a line hit. 2520. That helps us. Keeps us going. Come on. Come alive now. Come alive. Come on. Yes, we got it. Hot dog. All right, monkeys, help me out. Lots of fireballs. Come on. Need 1 more to unlock that next level. Come on. 1 fireball. Stay alive. Come on. Oh, come on. Don't do this to me. 1 fireball. Come on. 1 fireball. Thank you. Oh, wrong place. Come on, monkeys. You need 1 fireball. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Need 1 more to unlock the next row. 1 fireball. Stay alive. 1 fireball. Stay alive. Oh, come on. 1 fireball. Thank you. 3 more to get the mini. That's $15. The minor on top's $50. Let's see if we can get it. Come on, monkeys, help me out. Help me out. 1 fireball, stay alive. 1 fireball, stay alive. 1 fireball. Come on, don't be good. Come on, monkeys. 1 fireball, come on. Oh, that's not a bad haul. Let's see what we want. I'll take that, $152. We're going to do 3 backups. Go on to the next game. There's 1, 2. Actually, I'll take it down to 200. See if I can't trigger something else. Fireballs or chests? Come on. Come on, fireballs. Do it again. 3 chests this time? I'll take 3 treasure chests this time. Oh, got 2. Need 3. Come on, monkeys. Last spin. Oh. Alright guys, so that was Ultimate Firelink Explosion with the monkeys that throw down the fireballs. We did get a bonus for you. Please like, share, subscribe. Come check out Ellis Island if you've never been. It's pretty cool. Thanks guys for watching.